Yeah? Okay. You can drink water. I have to just send one OTP. Then we can start.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'll finish this water.
Yeah, finish it. It's okay. While we drink this water and wait for this OTP, subscribe to our channel. It's Moment of Silence.
Subscribe on.
YouTube. Follow
Follow.
us on Spotify. Comment on either platforms
Rate us.
on Spotify. And sometimes people listen to us on Apple also.
I didn't even know we were posting on Apple.
We were.
Damn, 1 year in now.
1 year in. Is that why we're holding these balloons
Is that
and
why we're
wearing
wearing
this
these
hat?
tiny hats? Yes.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
1 year.
Happy birthday, Sakshi.
Happy anniversary, Naina.
Thank you.
Are we calling it a birthday or an anniversary?
I don't care. Which one is the most celebration?
If you're rich, anniversary. If you're rich, birthday also.
So poor it is and birthday it is.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Woo!
We have to let this go.
Oh.
Natasha instructed. Okay, bye. No, now it's on the ceiling.
Just pan the camera, Vedant.
Okay, in 3 seconds, I'll have the OTP. OTP is done.
I'm Sakshi Shivdasani, by the way. And
Okay.
she's Naina Bhan.
I'm Naina Bhan. Welcome to Moment of Silence, and let's get into the episode.
Woo!
So, 1 year ago, I had shorter hair. You had straighter hair.
I had longer hair.
You had longer hair.
Yeah.
And what did you think when I walked into your life?
Okay, no, not the day you walked in my life, but the day you walked on set. So I met Naina a week before we started shooting. She had amazing hair. And then one day before shoot, she comes with this katora cut. And she's like, my mom and sister hate it. But what do you think? Now I don't know this girl so well, but 5 hairstyles in, I can confidently say that was the worst.
I appreciate that you still took a chance on me, not knowing me.
katora.
Yeah. I was like, hey, Sakshi, I have immaculate taste. And then I show up with a katora cut. And then we put in a lot of money together. And now we have this podcast, which we love on most days.
Most days, yeah.
And sometimes we don't love so much. But on those days, it is the girls and men sitting in this room
Girls and man.
that make us feel really good because shout out to the set. We have no idea what's happening today. This is a surprise birthday episode carried out by Natasha, Riya, Shreya.
Let's go.
Should we get into it? Okay.
Am I allowed to say that?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Okay, what do we do with this?
Let Naina spin first, you know. This was the podcast was her idea, so she gets first dibs on on life.
What does this mean? Okay.
Oh, we're not cutting any of that out.
What is this game about?
Who said that? What do you think? Who said that is about, Naina?
Sorry. Come speak into this mic. Loudly, huh?
Basically, over 70 episodes, we've had a lot of people come on this pod and say a lot of weird things, and you guys have to guess who said that. Who said that?
Over 70 episodes, a lot of people have come and said weird things. Sakshi, you have
Just
a buzzer.
us.
Okay, Sakshi, what does your buzzer sound like?
Makes sense.
And this is mine. And now we play.
Done.
I love how we have to play our own game. Okay. Who said, I love attention, I can't lie?
Okay.
It's very hard.
Naina.
I,
Oh.
Oh.
Alvia.
Urfi,
Oh.
who said, Sharpay is my gal? Sakshi.
Let me do it. Who said there aren't even that many women in this country?
Me.
I don't remember any of these.
It just sounds like something I would say.
What was the context?
I don't remember. What was the someone said we had 1 million subscribers, and I said there aren't even that many women in this country.
I love it. Who said, is that what 30-year-olds talk about? Me. No? What the fuck? Who said? Alia.
No?
Have we had younger people?
Aryan.
Aishwarya?
Sorry, it was Alia.
It was Alia.
I'm guessing this was in the breakup episode when she and I had beef.
Beef, yeah. One side eye. Okay. I too love money.
Sakshi.
Naina. Urfi.
Urfi?
Urfi is quite quotable now. She should think about
Starting a whole
yeah,
show.
like getting a web show or something. You want to read it? Have I monopolized?
No, you can read it.
You are as confident as you believe that you are.
That's
Based on the framing of that sentence, it's
Sakshi.
the illiterate person of this duo, me.
Oh, now it's back to me.
I can't read so much.
Sakshi stopped pressing her buzzer.
Oh, sorry.
It's Sakshi's point. I get sun kissed, but I'm getting sun assaulted these days. You. Me?
Naina.
Naina? Yes. This is somehow sunscreens have found their way to our sponsorship too many times.
Yeah. We've forgotten how, but now whenever I'm like talking about like what sunscreens I use in my YouTube video, because we've promoted so many of them, I forget to like say I use all of these, and then one time I didn't say one and people were like, why did you promote it? It's like, have you heard of money? But they are amazing products.
The great thing about the sunscreens that we have sponsored over time is that they all have many different like
I use Gush, I use Friday Feeling, I use a lot of them.
yeah.
Yeah.
I use Friday Feeling as a good like primer sunscreen. Gush is a good like
They're not paying us for this
yeah, okay,
episode.
fine.
It's fine.
All sunscreen is good.
We'll see y'all once the payment clears.
Everything has become very sexual with us. I'm into it. Me.
I don't remember anything.
I'm telling you, I think I'm one episode short of having a sex dream about you. It's just as time has passed, I've just realized that Sakshi is just the man that I want in my life.
So many people have been saying that to me, and I think that's not a good look. I'm a little afraid for myself.
Even the men in your life are like,
Yeah, they're like,
take care of me,
yeah,
daddy.
literally. Just my father.
Looking at a purchase makes me respect myself. Me? That's not a good look for me.
When all this shit about...
I know. Yeah, I can. Do you want to?
Have you? I don't know when you've said that. It's just a very you thing to say.
Basically, the way I've been setting boundaries and self-respect for myself is by making like physical purchases for myself. Knowing that if I can love myself this much, then that is the amount that someone else needs to at least love me. So, hello, Cartier bracelet. Love me this much.
The only reason I knew that was Naina was because I don't think I bring up self-respect at all. Just like the drawing boundaries and self-respect through a purchase was very you coded.
Yeah. If there's anything about anal in here,
It's me. I'll do it. It's fine. I only unraveled it. Okay. My content is a red flag.
Sakshi.
Me. Red flags?
Trick question.
Almost fell for that. My heart goes out to the girls who had to watch all the episodes
swear.
looking for quotable things.
If
Shout
any
out
of you
Riya.
got it, like if any of you have gotten all these right, please comment down below.
Yeah, I would be very impressed.
Yeah.
So, okay. Honestly, I do complain a lot. That's a fact.
Sakshi.
Last week, Naina and I hung out, and she was like, it's okay if you don't want to do any of the work. At least don't come to set and complain about it. And I was like, you're right. I do complain.
This wasn't a hangout. It was a work meeting.
We played pickleball.
That's true. After that, after I dropped a matcha on myself, then we had a work meeting.
And she only wanted to have the work meeting, but I forced her to come for 1 hour of pickleball, and she got a heat stroke. So sorry, Naina.
It's fine.
Public apology. Happy birthday. Woo. Oh, we are dysfunctional? I thought we weren't.
Me?
Me?
No. Alia?
Karima?
The one sentence Karima got into the episode we did with her.
We have to do a redo of that.
Yeah, we do. Comment down below if you want a redo of the Karima episode.
Deserved.
Deserved.
We were really going through it. Whenever I go, it's a great time, but I just don't go.
Sakshi.
No? Naina?
Alia. What the fuck? Do we have any more guests?
Whenever I go, it's a great time, but I just don't go. That sounds very me or Alia coded, but it's neither of us. So,
Karima? Oh.
oh,
The second time Karima got a word into the Karima episode.
Ria really watched that episode.
Do we have to do all of them? Okay.
I'm a no one. Has to be Naina. What the fuck? She's like, who else is being so sad?
Sakshi?
Thank God.
Urfi?
Alia?
Yeah, that's true. Okay, thanks, Arya. Thank you for your time.
Are you feeding the internet beef? I love it.
Yeah.
She revokes your wedding invite. Oh, make a joke on that. Naina. Naina.
When did I say this?
About
Oh.
your dad.
Oh, yeah. This was that time when I couldn't keep my feelings in. That other specific
As
time.
opposed to
As
now where
opposed
you
to
can't keep your feelings in.
Last two for the win. Happiness is a scam construct.
Naina.
Me. It's true. I think happiness is quite a scam. Like,
I think happiness is a choice.
so we've been fighting over this. I think that one needs to chase neutrality. And Sakshi's like, I'm the most neutral person ever. And I don't think she is.
I am the most neutral person ever. I'm never too happy. I'm never too sad.
But by choice
Yeah.
or by like just generally? Like, you're
Are
like,
you asking if I'm a sadhu?
yeah.
I'm not a sadhu. I fucking love capitalism.
So that's what I'm saying. Like, when you have reached like almost nirvana state of like, okay, if it's whatever's happening is happening versus like, I don't want to feel happy.
I don't think like people that meditate a lot are also happy.
Yeah, they're neutral.
They're not neutral. I
They're
think
not
they're
depressed.
No, I think they're suppressed.
They're suppressed.
Happy birthday.
Last one.
I'm the most neutral person. I've decided.
Surprise, I'm still a loser.
Naina.
Woo!
Shout out.
Shout out, Nana. Yeah, we're very self-deprecating on this podcast.
Yeah.
But
and
you
in life.
Yeah, but we do love ourselves. Drum roll, please.
And by 1 point, Sakshi won.
This is bullshit. I had all the answers.
It's called nepotism. Look it up. I think I was just louder than Naina, but I'll take the win. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I would like to thank Naina.
We've said a lot of bullshit.
Yeah.
That's
We
what I
really
realized.
said, and the thing is, it's kind of sad that we could really pinpoint who said what just based on I think we just are characters now. I don't even think we're people anymore.
Do you think you have like a podcast persona and then like you in real life?
You know me. What do
Yeah.
you think?
I think there's like a softer side of you that nobody really gets to know, which you can deny right now.
I have no idea
But
what
yeah,
she's talking.
but you're pretty much the person you are on the
Yeah.
pod.
I think you have a louder side that's not available on the pod.
That's true.
I think Naina is full tabahi offline and online. She's like, one part of her brain is thinking about some audition somewhere. She's like, I need to keep it in case I become a A-list Bollywood star. I can't have so much shit out on the internet.
That's true. Apart
Who's
from
gonna
all the
tell
shit
her?
that's already out on the internet, no.
This is where she draws the line.
I don't mind me like over emotional to the point where literally my mom watching this right now thinks everything I've said on this podcast is 100% true.
Is it not? That's so rude because I've been pouring my heart out.
Shut the fuck up. Comment down below if you know when we've lied about something. It's
Never.
a slippery slope.
Shh, Tauba, tauba.
Okay, that game was fun, guys. Good marks. Good marks.
On the game.
Good marks on the game. Yes, let's do the next game.
Spin the wheel.
Listen,
We just-
there's full match fixing.
Okay.
Sorry, my
I want to play two truths and a lie.
Okay, top marks for ideation, execution by birthday number 2.
They're like, your production budget is shit, so shut the fuck up.
Okay, 2 truths and a lie. So what? Yeah.
The way this game works is we've reached out to, well, some of your closest friends and the team, and they've all given us 2 truths and a lie, which are all birthday anecdotes. You have to A, guess who it is, and B, guess the lie in each of them.
Okay.
1 second, you have to guess who it is, as in the person who wrote in, or
Yeah.
which one of us it is.
Yeah. The person who
तुम्हें
wrote
सिर्फ
it.
हम खेलना
ये ज़्यादा complicated है. मैंने सिर्फ-
means
Okay. My friend and I got drunk at a trampoline park for my birthday, and I projectile vomited all over in the first 10 minutes. On my 17th birthday, sorry, that was the first one. Second one is, on my 17th birthday, I called a bunch of teenagers because my other teenage friends strongly suggested I do so. Worst birthday of my life. And the third is, on my 7th birthday, I threw a birthday party just so I can have my crush, and then I only played hide and seek with him. What the fuck is this?
this is not my friend.
This is not my friend. Are these truths about our friends or about you guys? Fuck, this game is like
It's
Inception.
Riya,
It's Riya.
Shreya. It's Shreya.
Which one of these is true?
Shreya, you're 23 now. This was only 5 years ago.
I think you projectile vomited on a trampoline. No. Okay. You invited your.
So
That's the lie.
Yeah.
Oh. Huh.
Give us one more round of this to understand how to play.
you have to guess out of the 3 which one is the lie.
So listen, did you manage to date this crush or?
I was in second standard. I don't think
Oh,
dating was
yeah,
a
she was
concept.
7th birthday.
How are you having crushes in second standard?
He was just really fair and cute. I think that's why.
Least racist North Indian.
Dude, when I was a kid, I had this neighbor who in my mind was cute, okay? And I wanted attention. And we used to play hide and seek together. So I went and just lay down in the drawing room and I cried. And I was like, I really miss my parents. They're not around. Must have been like 5. And he's like, what the fuck? And then I went
He
and
was
told...
also 5.
Yeah. And then I went and told all my family, I'm like, I love him. He's the love of my life.
Is he cute now?
No, he was never cute.
Story of my life.
When the light used to go, we used to sit on his terrace and exchange cricket trump cards. Yeah.
Wait, you called a bunch of strangers
No. Yeah.
to your 17th birthday
Why?
because
my
her
friends
other
thought it would be
teenage
fun.
friends suggested strongly that she does so.
And then?
It was the worst birthday of my life.
Oh,
I
no.
wonder what this podcast would be if there was even one non-pushover in the group.
What?
Do you have a birthday anecdote?
Me?
Yeah.
In life?
Yeah.
But I can give it for something else. I don't have
Okay,
anything
fine.
for this.
Fine. That's fine.
I would never call strangers to my birthday. I would not even call my parents. Okay. I am that one person who hates birthdays. I just don't like my birthday. Who has it? I just don't like my this. Is this me? My favorite was when I've had a kebab party for my birthday. I got cheated on my 19th birthday by my ex-guitarist boyfriend.
This is not
This
me.
is Karima.
Okay.
This is Karima.
What's the lie?
The kebab.
The kebab part.
No?
I hate birthdays.
No.
The cheated on?
Yep.
What is that?
That was the giveaway, Karima. Yeah.
I
not-
also love kebabs.
I think she didn't get cheated on her 19th birthday. I mean, no. She's it tracks. It
Yeah.
tracks. This is very Karima.
I would say I wish Karima was here to defend herself, but when she was here, she didn't speak.
We didn't. Was she silent or was she silenced?
Moment of silence.
But I do like the thing of like, if I have like a niche taste, like every year on my birthday, everyone has to eat pizza if they're coming for my party. Like, so I like the whole kebab party thing because it's like, it's my birthday. I call the shots.
Like through my teenagehood in school, all we did was you went to McDonald's and then you went to PVR and you watched a film together.
Same, but ours was opposite. PVR and then McDonald's.
Damn. The
Things
way
change in
generations
5
evolve.
years.
Seriously.
Oh my god, fuck. I was at this mystery room and like right before us there was some 8-year-old kid's birthday and they had gotten the whole like they did the mystery room and then they were eating McDonald's outside and I could only smell that McDonald's milkshake and I wanted it so bad. I swiped one. But there were so many. Like all the kids had eaten. I hope.
Shall I tell you my saddest story related to a birthday?
Please
This
do.
is very
tell.
bad. This is very bad. I was too old for this story. Okay. And
Last year.
and we all went to watch War of the Worlds or whatever. You know, War of the Worlds. Yeah. And before that, we went to Pizza Hut to all eat pizza. And you know how in Pizza Hut they make the
My
person
favorite.
stand and then they
Yeah.
humiliate them. And I had a very weak bladder. So as my friend was being humiliated, I literally pissed myself in Pizza Hut.
It wasn't your birthday.
I just watched the humiliation. I was just like, and then this like stream of like piss went down my leg, and I saw the other table see it. And then I ran to the bathroom and I borrowed my friend's coat and said, the only thing that was less embarrassing, I'm on my period. And I stained myself.
Just for curiosity, how long ago was
This was like maybe the 7th or 8th grade.
Oh,
So that's too old, man.
I've pissed myself when I was in the 8th or 9th grade in school from laughing too hard. Because, you know, my school bathroom was really bad. So I would just hold my pee in. But then during the national anthem, when you're not allowed to sit down, and some guy was making jokes. So I did pee a little. I always need to pee a little if I laugh. Like,
Same. Oh my God.
Is this a universal experience?
I feel like women have very small bladders and no one talks about it because I literally
Small or like just weak in general?
weak. Like when I'm doing this and laughing, it's so that I don't piss myself. The anecdotes are too lethal on this podcast.
You know, yeah, you're really like, whatever. It's a gag,
Yeah,
actually.
yeah. Nothing happened. Anyway, next. Okay. So during my friend's birthday night out, one of my conservative / trad friends lost us and he accidentally entered the live play, aka sex room. He didn't speak the entire night after that. That's number 1. Number 2, I got flown out to Dubai for my birthday. And number
Yeah.
3, my parents once had to escort our drunk guests on my birthday to prevent them from falling into the pool.
Pool, meaning someone from Delhi.
I feel like it's Meera.
It's Meera.
It's Meera.
Yeah.
I don't know which one is a lie.
You have a pool?
We don't have a pool, but we had pool parties.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
I got flown out to Dubai was the lie, right?
Oh, that's what gave it away for me.
I'm kind of stressing about
That's
the
a
sex
drag.
room.
That's her dream.
Okay, Meera.
That's where we end
I'm
that.
trying to think of like a sex room anecdote.
Because of all the sex rooms you've been in. Isn't that the dream to be flown out for your birthday?
Yeah.
Like, just like, fuck it. Last 5 years, I've just like not been in town for my birthday because I don't want to answer the call.
I
Yeah.
just hate resharing photos on like resharing stories on my birthday. Like it feels a bit like self-involved.
Yeah, we've said this before.
Oh,
we
okay.
hate it.
One year on my birthday, I left and I went to Goa on a solo trip because my boyfriend didn't want to come with me.
Love it.
And then I got harassed at the beach,
As one does.
as one does. So that was the end
Isn't
of
even
my...
a birthday without a little bit of harassment.
Yeah, it was some guy who was a director from Hyderabad and wanted to cast me.
In an international lingerie shoot from reputed brand.
Yeah. The sad part was that I had been so stressed the entire time. Like I was like, oh my God, I'm on a solo trip. I'm on a solo trip. And then I tried to mute that entire negative, like stressful thing out of my head. And I went and I had like this really nice lunch and then I started relaxing. I'm like, of course, you're being an idiot. Stupid girl from Delhi who thinks everyone's out to harass her. And the minute I lay down and I let my guard down, this guy comes and sits on the tanning bed next to me. It's like, hello.
Ew.
I'm like, get the fuck out of my life right now.
It's like, have you ever been at like a budget hotel in Goa and you're like, it's Goa. So you
Yeah.
pull out your bikini and then within 5 minutes there are 500 people staring at you.
It's so bad.
I'm the
Oh.
worst thing that's happened to me.
It's okay. We don't have to talk about
I
it.
pissed
Oh my God.
myself.
Who has written this fucking
This
essay?
has to be someone from
This
the
is
team.
Natasha. Number
It's
one.
Riya. She looked down too hard.
Was forced to attend my ex's... Sorry. Number one. Was forced to attend my ex-friend's birthday at a farmhouse. I was told someone would pay for my ride, but instead got stranded in the middle of nowhere with 5% charge. Safe to say, no one ever paid me back. He didn't even talk to me all night, promised to drop me home early in the morning, but of course he decided to stay back with his friends instead. On top of that, I ended up paying for a gift, both expensive Ubers, to and fro, alcohol and food, all while I was broke and never wanted to attend this stranger's birthday in the first place. Farmhouse, so it can't be...
It can be Bombay. Lonavala vibes.
Number two, my dad doesn't believe in 12 a.m. birthday celebrations except when it comes to Jesus Christ.
Riya. We have one Christian person on their team.
Can't you just like, could you make
Ganpati.
this obvious? I spent over a month planning a surprise for a friend, figuring out the guest list, looking at different possible locations, picking the right theme and the menu, all of that just as an excuse to talk to and spend more time with a super hot brother.
The first one's the lie.
Sadly, no.
The second one's the lie.
No.
This one! Her brother's not even hot! Fuck. Girls, this is my plea to you. That through your early 20s, go for the hot guy, just for vibes. And then later you can choose what you want.
Based on what are you giving this plea?
Just giving free
All the
advice.
hot guys you dated in your early 20s. Oh my god, Twinkle Stanley recently was like, your type is not who you think you like, it's who you date, and I'm upset.
But you did okay.
Yeah, but my type is also, like, I'm upset in general. Because there have been some questionable choices after my most recent breakup.
Look, you can't look at dating as a serious thing. You have to look at it as masti.
Okay, Miss Naina Bhan, who has never done any masti in her life ever. We were contemplating naming this Wheel of Masti because Naina's allergic to masti.
You should have named it Wheel of Networking because I love networking. Last one. This person clearly is going through it because there's 3 short sentences.
Natasha.
Accidentally got my friend a birthday cake she was allergic to, number 1. Number 2, celebrated my birthday at Soho House last year and one of my friends got scammed into paying 6K for one tequila shot. And number 3, none of my boyfriends have ever got me an actual birthday gift.
Me?
It's either me, Natasha or Richa.
It's Richa.
It's not you? It's you. Yeah, I knew it. Guess which one gave it away? Yeah. So which one of these is a lie? The scamming?
I think 6K for a shot is
Yeah.
too much. I think it was like 3K.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Allergic to. Allergic is the lie, right? I knew it. And that doesn't make us happy because the last one is true. None of my boyfriends have ever got me
We
an
never
actual
debated that. We were like, yeah, for sure, that one's true.
If you may or may not be dating Natasha right now, this birthday needs to be different. I saw you. Who won this game?
I lost. I lost aura points. I lost a little bit of respect from the room. I lost my favorite pair of pants.
Me.
I said it before you read
Okay.
it out, so I don't think that counts.
Okay, fine.
When you said this person is sad, I was like, Natasha.
Okay.
Okay. I have lost
No
this
one
round.
is asking
guys.
for your fucking sass, Ria. Relax.
No, I lost this round in general. In life, I have lost this round.
Okay, so we're 1-1 tied.
I don't think we are I've lost this day. I've lost this lifetime actually.
If you aren't going to put in what happened,
Oh, we are, no?
I don't know, you decide.
I peed a little.
Okay, fine.
Just a little.
I think it's okay.
What's the lie? I peed a lot. I peed a little.
I haven't drank any water. Yeah. I can give you I started with my pee stories. Right. Sorry.
That's the problem. My brain got conditioned. I've never pissed myself in my adulthood before today.
So should I give you my shit anecdote?
No. I don't want to shit myself. My body is very empathetic.
Should I give you my puke anecdote?
No, thank you. I know your puke anecdote.
Okay, great. Let's
Anyway.
move on to the next game. Hope this is the last one. I feel like a character out of an Indian mythology.
Avengers. You spell.
Okay. What does it have to land on, Natasha? Okay. Oh God. Woo! Excited about this
Woo!
game.
We love to hate. We do love to hate. But I don't think this is about us hating.
We're playing a game where we're responding to your hate comments.
I'm stressed.
Okay. So they hurt more. Okay, thank you. Thank you. We understand how Google Docs work. Yeah. Okay. First hate comment. I know this sub loves this podcast. To those who don't know.
What's up? Reddit?
I think most of the discussions are too superficial for me. It seems like they assume that everybody can afford the skincare products they can or the lifestyle they can. To that, I'll say even I can't afford it because I get sent gifts.
Can't everyone just afford 5 lakh rupees for one face wash?
That's true, actually.
Oh my god, level up.
It seems like they assume that everybody can afford the skincare they can. Yeah. They make jokes about themselves being fat or, not desirable sometimes. And I get it. Society has made every woman feel insecure. So if you get it, then why the fuck are you typing?
Those who get it.
About how she looks. But come on. You have a lot. You all have what? You have a lot of hot and pretty privilege in the world and enjoy it. We are. This podcast is literally that.
No, to that I will say, have you seen the hairstyles we've gone through?
We were just discussing it today.
Yeah.
They were quite bad.
Literally. So how is that pretty privilege?
If we had pretty privilege, would we have 30K subscribers?
Yes.
I think we would have like 100K subscribers.
I
like
meant
that.
we only have 30K
30,
because
yeah.
we're so pretty.
Yeah.
So we are superficial as people. But this is a musty podcast.
Yeah.
Like if I sat and spoke about my insecurities, which are zero because what the fuck, I'm too hot and too pretty.
It would be a different podcast.
Yeah.
We would do audio only.
Yes.
So to say to that, like the superficial nature of this podcast is an intentional
It's a character,
decision.
guys.
Yeah, it's a character. Enjoy it if
We're
you don't
actually really deep.
like. Have you seen the book Sakshi's reading right now?
I'm reading a book. This is my second book of the month. But I also should not be bragging about anything today. Fuck. Okay. That's
Okay.
it?
Yeah, I guess. I mean, it's okay. I wasn't hurt by that comment.
Yeah.
You?
I think my skin is too thick.
5 on 10.
Yeah.
Me.
Bladder might be weak.
Skin is too thick. I also don't want to consume serious stuff all the time. I like when, oh, this is a, yeah, sorry, ignore. Okay. You want to read it or should I read it? Okay.
You want me to read it? I can read it.
Okay.
I said the exact same thing on a post regarding something being off between Naina and Sakshi. एक दो focused episode चलता है on dating, but हर episode ऊपर से Sakshi is into online dating and Naina isn't and is not able to bring much to the table. पहले
I got married for this part. Okay. Yeah.
You know what? Look at the numbers on our dating episode. We tried to do we love our armpit hair. No one cares. Pehले they used to have a structure. Naina used to have points on her phone to talk about. To that, I will say that is my fault. I shamed it out of her. They used to layer it in between the banter and were fun to listen to, plus different aspects. They are fun, guys. But girls are not just about dating. Bring back the difficult topics like they have discussed before. Being a pick-me, female friendships.
Okay. Done.
That's the easiest topic.
You're not like other haters. You're special. Yeah.
Female friendships, harassment. I'm sorry we're not getting harassed enough. Breakups.
Breakup is relationship. Are you fucking dumb? Sorry.
Only one breakup a year, guys. Mother-daughter relationship. Parenting of a girl / Raja Beta. Bro. There was so much content that I loved hearing them talk about because these topics are difficult to bring up, original and relatable. And these two did justice while discussing them as it was raw. Sweet. That's not even... ठीक है अभी तुम्हारा पॉडकास्ट है तुम्हें जो डिस्कस करना है करो हो रहा होगा मोमेंट तुम लोगों की लाइफ में बाकी एज व्यूअर्स हम लोग तो बोर हो ही जाएंगे
Has Jaya Bachchan written this hate comment?
थोड़ा क्रिटिसिज्म ले लो गाइस एंड ब्रिंग बैक द गुड स्टफ
Listen, हर 4 episode में से only one is dating. 3 others
Yeah.
are like period, harassment,
but
You know?
which episode is doing the best
dating.
unfortunately y'all watch the like you know what I'm not interested in being non-mainstream I'm
Yeah.
tired of being a niche like so it is what it is now.
हम niche किस्म के लोग हैं, you know?
I love that. Yes.
Okay. Okay. 6 on 10 comment. Too much constructive feedback.
It was just too long and I can't believe I had to read that.
That
like, I'm
she's
done
counting that as the
reading.
87th
Yeah.
page that she read today.
The book is read. This is longer. Fucks. Okay.
Okay.
Strong, independent women, wait till you have to work and for your partner.
What do you think we do?
Literally.
Listen, we didn't go play pickleball on a Wednesday because we
We're
don't work hard.
unemployed. जाके अपने जनरेशन के लिए वेल्थ बनाओ औकात है तो बस गोल डिगिंग करना है
मैंने एक भी गोल नहीं डिग किया आज
ब्रो
तक.
मेरे से मतलब मैं I'm going in the wrong places to dig.
Yeah.
Like I'm not able to find the fucking spot where you can dig.
7 a.m. See her outside Andheri flyover.
That
She's
one
just
bridge.
Standing there with a bucket and a shovel. Empty.
Just digging. Oh, I like this one. I think.
Okay.
I'm sweating.
So am I.
Does anybody lately feel that Sakshi has gotten meaner after her breakup?
Yeah. But it wasn't the breakup, I would like to say. Breakup made her softer for about 2 days.
Maybe that's a way to cope. So I've been an avid follower of Moment of Silence pod and I saw all of the episodes in a very short time. Which is why I could see the change in the vibe that they shared initially to how it was probably 3 months back and to how it is now. I really love both the girls. They're funny, stunning, and the episodes were wholesome. Now, the energy is clearly off. I love them. I hope nothing's wrong. And if there's something, I hope it gets better. I don't want the pod to end.
There's so much wrong. We talk about it every
Top
episode.
comment is, no bhai, kitna overthinking. me if I was writing Reddit
The
comments.
person who wrote the original comment is a Naina, and the response is a Sakshi. You know, the thing is, when we first started the pod, we didn't know each other. So I think there was a lot of like formality and like pick-me-ness happening there.
Yeah.
Where we didn't want to hurt each other's feelings. And now,
We're friends now.
so we hurt each other's
Yeah.
feelings.
Quite ratchetly.
Raise your hand if you've been personally victimized by Sakshi.
I've been so vulnerable
I know,
today.
that's true. She's a sweetheart.
They aren't calling your bags fake because of your economy ticket. It's that face, bro.
Ooh.
Hot take.
Ooh.
You know what? I think I'm plagued with a different sort of illness. I think I look richer than I am.
That's true.
I could carry a fake bag and people would be like, isne carry kiya to real hoga. I don't like that. It's hard being so privileged.
And taking the auto is a choice. Okay? We like.
It's not a choice for me. I'm so sorry. Like every time I post in a rickshaw, they be like, "Gaadi nahi hai kya teko?" And I'm like, "Nahi,
Nahi hai.
hai, Baleno." Lol. Am I the lol? Lol. Lol. Am I the only one who can't relate to this bullshit?
Sakshi's mom. When did you get here?
I think we are so relatable to all ages and genders and groups of people.
Yeah. I don't have anything to add to that.
Yeah.
Is that the end of the hate comment?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's not hate. That's a dislike comment.
Yeah.
Fucking बोल देती हूँ, cool लगूंगी. This guy's in my head. My IQ dropped after watching this snippet. I'd have a stroke if I saw through the whole thing. That's Naina watching the edits.
You all know that I'm struggling with my English these days. And it is 50 episodes of Moment of Silence.
I love it.
ठीक है?
Have we made you dumber?
Yeah.
Sorry, less smart.
Also, yeah.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Honestly, not bad.
Not bad.
I wish there was more hate.
Like, I'm feeling more happy.
More happy. Happier. Thank you.
Thank you. Who won this round? So, I mean, I do fixate on. Sorry, I broke your.
Your whole gag.
I do fixate on hate comments a lot, and I don't think that's anything unique about me.
Hmm.
And I'm trying really hard to look at the positive comments, but it's very hard.
I've stopped looking at comments 3 years ago, so I really don't know what's happening. Unless it's like a really funny hate comment that catches my eye, then I'm like, yo, I gotta read it. But other than that, I feel like I've been doing this for so long. I feel like there's so many things to hate on that, like, if I sit to think about it, I'll be a different person.
Have you ever responded to a hate comment?
No.
Yeah, same.
Unless it's a funnier response than the hate comment.
I think Moment of Silence was the one time that I did get to respond to hate comments.
Yeah.
Because from my own page, I would never respond to a hate
Yeah.
comment. Because it's really playing in a gutter. And
Yeah.
if you play in a gutter, you get typhoid or malaria. So there's nothing good that comes out of it.
I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you can respond to as many hate comments as you want because I don't think the hate comments are going anywhere.
That's true.
Yeah. Defend me in this comment section.
I defend you so much.
I'm saying in
Oh.
this episode.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Just reiterating.
Sorry.
We'll crop it out now so my jeans aren't visible. Mainframe.
My best birthday. I've had many good birthdays. My parents used to
Show
really,
off.
like they really loved me. So I had the best birthdays. One, I had this disco birthday where my mom and I went and got like, and this was back in the day, okay, now it's very normal, but back then it wasn't there. We got like a disco ball, we got like party lights. It was like my
Oh.
12th birthday and we played like Shakira and everyone was just like
Let's
losing
go.
it. And then I had a lot of pool parties because one of my family members had this beautiful farm.
Yeah.
And 2 months before my birthday, all my enemies started talking to me again because they all wanted to come and play at this pool party. But it was the best
Oh my god.
ever birthday that I could have. What a privilege.
Must be nice.
Yeah.
My birthday is one day before my sister's. So around 7 p.m. on my birthday, everyone starts prepping for her birthday because they don't want her to feel left out and then they don't want me to feel left out. And then now both of us hate our birthdays. So mission accomplished successfully.
But
Yeah.
now I haven't celebrated a birthday in a really long time, and all I want to do is have like one big party.
Let's do it.
Yeah,
Next year.
I want to do it in Bombay, but then I realized I don't know anyone in Bombay, so it's a very small party apart from like the few people in this room. But next
Fair.
year it's gonna be a big
Ball out.
ball. We're gonna ball on.
Maybe
my
I'll
birthday.
start being nice to Naina 2 months before.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
Is it a game?
we fixed it.
Yeah.
Fuck.
All of this is staying, okay. This one?
This one?
Is it the birthday messages? Nothing makes me feel as loved as Moss Pod, okay? And this is before your birthday messages. This is just from the people in this room.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi Naina and Sakshi, happy 1 year to Moment of Silence pod. You guys are seriously changing lives, so cheers to you both.
No,
That is so sweet.
we're changing lives.
For the better.
Yeah. Is it the dating episodes that did it?
I think it's the dating
Yeah,
app.
I also think
My humble opinion.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think it's the most beautiful.
Yeah. Thanks. Which one?
Next one.
I only use my laptop for YouTube watching.
I got it.
So I'm so glad that you guys lasted a year. Happy birthday, Moment of Silence. I'm loving how you guys are leveling up, and I hope this makes the cut because it's a guy sending you this, but guys are just as much enjoying your videos. So all the best. Thank you so much for being there.
Aww. They were sitting in the same room on different corners, right? This is the same room. 100%. Thank you so much to our
Thank
male
you.
listeners. We love you.
We
Even though we
love-
shit on you all the time.
You know what it is? I think it's we love you guys. We just hate the concept of men. Like we love everyone that loves us.
Just press spacebar.
Happy birthday, Mosford, to Naina, Sakshi, and the whole team. I can't believe it's been a whole year for Moss, and you've entertained me for a whole damn year. Every Thursday night, I'm doing my PhD here in USA, and every Thursday night after my advisor ke saath meeting, Moss is what cures all the pain. So thank you.
You know what? This has made me understand our entire target demographic. Because it's the smart people that want to just shut their brains down and then they listen to us. It's a smart girls podcast.
Yeah.
Right?
That's questionable.
Oh my god. No, really.
It's
like
the musty people. Like people that don't take life too seriously, but they are having serious lives.
but they have, yeah, exactly.
It's like a Rohit Shetty movie for the girlies. You need to switch your brain off. And then you will enjoy it.
It's great. Even when we were looking for people to join our team,
Yeah.
like I was shocked by the CVs. Like they were really nice people wrote in. I was like, hey, we're not
Yeah.
preaching to like an empty room. It's preaching to like-minded people like ourselves. And she's doing her PhD in What's More
She
Gangster.
said PhD.
Yeah.
I love that.
She said after she sits with her advisor, she during her PhD research listens to us.
I love that. That's a big thing.
Yeah, it's huge.
I've not studied. I'm a little gawar. Sorry. Sorry about that. But how exciting. Yeah.
Very dark, moody lighting.
Means
it's
how- you know what? I'll just.
I got you.
Hi Naina, hi Sakshi. Congratulations on completing 1 year of Moment of Silence. I've been a huge fan since the day one. I've been watching your podcast since the episode 2 or 3 I started, and I've been recommending it to all my friends because it's such a relatable and extremely, you made me feel like seen with the current way the world is going right now. And I have to say thank you so much for adding to my vocabulary. I've learned gyat. And I bought sambas thanks to you guys. And Nana, also thank you so much for adding utilitarian and seldom. And I learned my English got much better. thanks to you. And honestly, I have to say, you guys are doing great work. I'm sure you guys will reach 100K subscribers in no time, and keep doing the great work, guys. I'm a huge fan. And one request I would say is, please at least post twice a week. Once a week is not enough at
Shut
all.
it
Like,
down.
you guys are too good.
Cut.
Please do it, guys. And I'm such a big fan of Sakshi that I locked myself out of the house right now, and I'm recording it in the terrace. And in
Now
the light,
piss
so that's why I'm
yourself.
looking very bad. But a huge fan, Sakshi.
How
How
sweet.
sweet. I would not be so happy if I locked myself out of the
But
house.
that is the most Sakshi fan thing to do.
Really?
He's like really trying to
Yeah.
get you.
Get.
Get you.
I
Should I
love-
get like utilitarian on a t-shirt? That's
Yeah.
my merch.
And it has to be a very utilitarian t-shirt with pockets. How to play?
How do you make it so far in your life?
Happy birthday, Mosspod. My name is Devrat, and I've been watching you guys since day one. Congratulations, Sakshi, Nana,
so
and team.
shy.
You all have been killing it since day one. Congrats. Keep going.
I think
That is our target demo. Shy
Thank
people
you.
that want to live through us.
thank
You. That was the sweetest. I'm going to give him a blanket.
This one is
We've seen this.
sorry. This thing keeps falling apart. This one, yeah.
Hello, Moss Pod. This is Sana all the way from Kent, England, and I'm so excited that Moss Pod has turned one. We all have collectively turned one. Full love for Nana and Sakshi. You guys are the sisters that we did not have in real life. We're very happy for you. Congratulations. Love.
Can you hear the audio quality of England? Like it's so good.
Kent. That's a rich people place. I love it. I love how she said Kent, England, because she knew इनको तो पता ही नहीं होगा. She was right. This is very sweet.
Hando P, she's a PhD student.
You think everyone's
Sare
a PhD
PhD
student?
हमारे, we're co-opting the PhD students.
This is I am
Happy
and the
1 year
one.
anniversary to my favorite podcast, which is the Moss Podcast. Love you girlies so much for all your transparency and your honesty and just awesome conversation about girlhood. Love ya.
Aww.
So cute. Now this one.
Last one.
First of all, sorry for using this filter, and I want to say happy 1 year anniversary to Moments of Silence. I really love this show. I genuinely do love this show. Like it's really, the show really gets me.
I love
And
her.
I wanted to say yeah, that's 15 seconds back.
Tag yourself, I'm home.
I love that.
Yeah, that's 15 seconds back.
We should just take a B-roll of us watching so that you can insert the stuff. Yes, very cute.
Very cute. Thank you so much for sending all of this in. It's very difficult to kind of like figure out what's happening with the pod, especially like because we're deep in the trenches of the pod. But like when I see messages like this or like even DMs that we get, it kind of like really validates why we're doing this apart from the big bucks. No, I'm joking. There's no money.
No, I mean, genuinely, since we started the pod, everybody that I meet in person who's a fan of the pod has just the sweetest things to say, and it really makes you feel so loved.
Yeah.
Like I met somebody at the Shillong airport, Rosie. Shout out to you.
Shout out Rosie.
Yeah, and I was like, wow, we have followers in the Northeast, we have followers in the south of India. Are we the most global national podcast?
Asan Raj Shamani.
But thank you so
Thank
much.
you, guys.
We're so awkward at our feelings.
Yeah.
So
I'm just sweating through this episode.
I'm just feeling so naked right now.
Me? Thank
Now?
you.
Last? We'll just hold it.
Spin that wheel.
Woo! It's okay. All right.
It's gonna fall.
And now we have remaining.
The party. Woo!
You know
Okay.
what it is?
No. Do you?
I do.
How?
Because
Oh, the gifts?
Yes.
The gifts, yeah.
okay.
What the fuck? Hers looks more elaborate.
I know what.
Mine has a message to go with it. So I wanna
Mine has a
hand it
message
to.
too.
Okay, so I'll hand.
Okay,
Relax.
okay.
Okay.
So we wanted to not do anything for the pod, but Natasha really is so emotional about everything and makes it so special that she has now taken our requests to give each other gifts. And so
Yeah.
she and you and I know what is here.
Yes. You don't know my gift. for
And I
you.
don't know what your gift
Yeah.
is.
Basically.
Basically.
So, okay. Naina, you know how you had notes in the beginning? And I was like, why are you carrying this stupid fucking book around all the time? And I took away essentially your baby blanket, your nipple, so to speak. And I was like, as the episodes go on, I see you like getting a little bit like, fuck, I wish I had my book. And y'all don't know this, but Naina says a lot of quotable things offline as compared to online. And one thing she said that really stuck with me is, if you go digging in any gutter, you will find gossip. So I have gotten you a gutter for all your gossip.
That's so cute. Yay, I get my notes again, guys. More structure in the episodes.
Woo! We're all happy.
Okay, Sakshi.
Naina.
From halfway through when I got to know you, I found out that you are a shopaholic and a fashionista. And recently on your vlog, you said, I am not shopping for clothes anymore, only
Yes.
jewelry. So
Yes.
I was like, how can I not let my queen have something new to wear?
Shut the fuck up.
And then I know you have one passion in life. If it's not on
What?
blank, then I don't want it.
What?
Oh! So,
Shut the fuck up. This is so cool. I love this.
Thank you.
What if I cry? There's too many liquids coming out of my body.
Wait, your
Oh, no, I'll figure it out.
Okay. Don't piss yourself.
Oh my god, this is the coolest thing in the world. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is my favorite t-shirt ever. Like, fuck. Amazing.
I'm very happy with my gift.
Yeah, clearly you won this round. I don't like. This is the best thing you could have gotten.
Is this you, Core?
This is me, Core. Yeah, amazing.
Thank you.
I forgot about Blinkit. How could you? No, I love Blinkit. What is
I know.
that?
There's one more little surprise that we got for you.
Aww.
Everybody's been asking for on the pod, and y'all were too lazy to figure out.
Mm.
It's the merch.
It's the merch.
It's the merch.
The merch.
It's just samples, so it's very awkward right now. But you guys get
Okay.
to have a first look.
Okay, all of us together.
We've not seen this either.
Okay. Okay. Straight up, this is going to
Okay.
end merchandising altogether. Okay. That's cute.
I love it.
Oh,
my
that's
God.
so cute.
I love it. I would wear this.
I would wear this too.
Because it's got our faces on it.
Which one do you guys like?
There's also this in purple.
I want the text to be way smaller though.
Okay.
They're samples,
The
Natasha.
samples. We've got this in white.
Mossies.
Yeah,
I love it.
it's so good.
Amazing.
And we have a
One
last
more.
one. What does this say? Oh, same thing in black.
Black.
Comment down below which of the merch options you like and don't give
We
feedback.
got it in white, we got it in black, we got it in pink, we got it in purple, we got it in different things. I'm a shopkeeper now. Amazing.
Yeah, thank you girls so
Thank
much.
you.
We're keeping it. Yeah.
Yeah. They're like, can we have one each? No. Sorry.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, guys. And we have a little bit of an announcement.
Oh, yeah. 40 minutes of good news.
And 2 minutes of bad news, followed by a month of bad news. We are taking a little vacay from the podcast for a month. we need some time to regroup, refresh, for you guys to forget that I pissed myself a little now that that's happening. Yeah, so we need some time for all of that. Don't take it take it a little personally. Whatever.
Yeah, I think both of us have been doing this for a year along with our team, but to do unstructured and improv content every week has we've run out of anecdotes.
Yeah.
So unless you want to hear 10 episodes on dating, we're going to take a month off, do some soul searching.
I have one last request.
Yes.
You guys. Can we bring back the moment of silence ending that y'all used to do?
Mm.
Can we
Yes.
close this with
Okay.
Okay.
recap the 70 episodes.
Okay.
A moment of silence for all the times Nena had to dumb herself down to match my freak.
A moment of silence for all the times Sakshi said yes to me when she secretly wanted to say no in the name of girlhood and friendship and sisterhood.
A moment of silence for what
We can do all the things that a moment of silence for our lovely team who sit here every week and also get screamed at by us every day.
a moment of silence for all the unanswered texts on the group chats.
Yeah.
A moment of silence for all the edits that we tried to force Vedant to do.
Yeah.
When that is really just a running gag, which we don't allow him to put any of the edits in.
A moment of sponsor. A moment of silence for our previous edit and shoot teams. Y'all were good, but not as good as Vedant.
A moment of silence for the shade Nena throws.
A moment of silence for our Reels editor.
Rian. A moment of silence for...
Vedant, insert moment of silence, please.
Can you insert a gif of the whole team doing... For moment of silence, Vedant?
All right. And you girls want to give a moment of silence? You have a mic next to you. No, that's not an answer. The answer is yes. Come on.
Oh, Natasha's... A moment of silence for Natasha's excuse that has just come up. But it's okay. It's okay. We won't force you all to be
Shreya?
on...
Ria?
A moment of silence for this safe space that has been created, which I'm feeling very emotional about right now. So let's not talk more about that.
Amazing.
Okay. Amazing.
A moment of silence for all the sponsorships that didn't work out.
Not so amazing.
Amazing.
Moment of silence for the fact that you're supposed to hire me but didn't, but still have to deal with me.
Amazing. I was not aware. Vedant, moment of silence for anything? That is his moment of silence. Vedant, just edit whatever you want.
All right. Thank you so much for being a part of our little community, family, and see you
in the next year. Bye.